in the stockroom looking for stuff. What do I find in this box? Oh, it's a smartwatch. Oh, you guys are in for a treat. What I love about these watches is not only does it come in our favorite bracelet in a couple of different styles and colors, but it also can change the face every day if you want to match your outfit. Can you imagine? It asks you questions, and when you answer it, it tells you what face to choose. But in addition to that, guys, you can put your agenda on here. There's several languages on the watch. What's better than that? Don't tell anybody, but I think the watch might be smarter than me. See you guys soon.